to be scammed when you encounter this online. When it comes to being scammed online, and for this instance is with the example of the fake AliExpress, which I have made, right, tens and tens of videos exposing such a fake affiliate marketing program, right, over the past 2 years. It is always the fundamental root cause of ignorance. That means lack of sufficient level of awareness in the matters of using the internet to create multiple sources of online income. And trending now and very popular and simple to start, right, with regular people is this thing called the affiliate marketing, right? So there are still many people out in the world, they lack that kind of awareness to comprehend the idea, right, and the things that come after that about affiliate marketing. So for this instance, I use this as a case study to help you to raise the level of awareness, right? So there are a few key things, right, in response to this question from one of my new viewers for this one of my videos exposing the fake AliExpress. So number one point is what we are discussing here is about the fake AliExpress. That means there is an official AliExpress. And in the official AliExpress, they are offering us regular people the opportunities, right, in participating, in partnering them as a marketer, not from a marketer, affiliate marketer, to help them to promote, market, and sell using the internet the products that are showcased on their sales website, right? And the work that we are doing is this thing called marketing work, right? To promote it and successfully creating customers in the process, right? And because of that, there are profits being generated, right? For the owner of these products, well, the owner is not the official AliExpress, yeah? They are just a platform, a middleman providing, right, a way for people to sell the products, right? So they are using this to connect people like us, the marketer, to help the owners of these products, right, to promote using the internet. So when there are customers being created, right, that means successfully we have sales, so someone is paying for something, right? So that is why when the owner of the products make profits, right, so the agreement would be to pay out this thing called the commissions to people that help to create this success in having sales. So I have just explained to you the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. That means if you are not doing any of these activities and someone promise you, right, a form of payment, which we call commissions, then you have to be very careful already, because it is not going with the flow of doing the marketing work. Then what makes you qualified to get paid? What values have you created in the marketplace? So when you have successfully created customers through your marketing effort, you have actually value added in the marketplace. So this is why in exchange you are compensated with this thing called the commissions. Plain and simple. That is the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. And the second point I would like to single out, well, and you can see this comment, right? It mentions about the name of the IDs used in the Telegram. So now this is a very important point to pick out here. In the official AliExpress, everything is digital, right? There are no human being facilitator. Okay, right? So as mentioned here, it seems like there is a human being facilitator here. No, that means there is already a very suspicious point of a scammer. And at the same time, the official communication channel with the official AliExpress has never been more than but using the email inbox as a form of communication. So the official AliExpress regularly, right, send us as affiliate, right, the marketer, right, updates about what to promote using the email communication channel, and they will actually label this email as AliExpress affiliate. Then they will specifically mention it that this is actually a marketing updates to help us, right, as marketer, right, to single out things that are trending for us to decide whether we want to help to promote or market the products, right? Which I would also view this as a newsletter from the official AliExpress. These are the official communication channel. And such kind of communication through the emails, right? I have to emphasize one more time. There are no other channels of communication, right? And at the same time, when these emails are sent to us, right, there are no human being name, right, being identified with this kind of newsletter. Nothing, zero. They are using the official company brand, which is the AliExpress. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So there will be no name being mentioned in the email. understand that. So when we have questions in regards to say, hey, you know what, there's a human being, coming forward to connect with us. They say that they are representing the AliExpress. So they start to have a messenger kind of communication channel, like a group chat thing, right? So these are the 2 points that are not in alignment with the official AliExpress affiliate program. Okay, so immediately that's why I call it fake, because it's not the same as what we are dealing with here with the official channel. Nothing. So this is why immediately we don't need to debate about it. Okay, we don't have to debate about it. So to let you have a deeper impression, let me show you on my laptop right now. What do I mean by the official communication for affiliate program with the official AliExpress that you are going to receive in your inbox, in your email inbox, right? So let me flip the camera over to show you, to have a deeper impression about. Okay, first you see the newsletter letterheads, right? Affiliate program, right? This is the official AliExpress, and I've actually pulled out one example that was mailed to me on the 20th of July, right? On the Sunday at this timing, 11 p.m. Singapore local time, right? So let's go scroll down a little bit to let you see some details, right? Okay, so as you can see, this is my Gmail, right? So these are the title in the email, right? Very easy to identify, right? And someone there is a verification blue tick here to tell you this is an official channel, right? Okay, right? Yeah, can you see? It tells you about the different country, highlighting the discount coupon given to you should you decide to choose any of these products mentioned to help to market, right? So this is official communication.